Welcome to Garcia's Plumbing Innovation LLC, located in Santa Rosa, California, and proudly serving surrounding areas. Our company has 26 years of industry experience, making us your go-to source for all plumbing needs. Some of our main services include general plumbing installation, general plumbing repair, new construction, remodeling services, installation of water pipes, installation of drainage pipes, and gas pipe installation. At Garcia's Plumbing Innovation LLC, we believe in providing top quality work and exceptional customer service. With our extensive experience, we have the skills and knowledge to handle any plumbing job efficiently and effectively. Ready to experience the best in plumbing services? Give us a call at 707-888-3762 or visit our website at garciasplumbingllc.com or email us at hiram@garciasplumbinginnovation.com for more information. Thank you for considering Garcia's Plumbing Innovation LLC.